So I recreated this look from memory and remembered it slightly different than it was. So we're doing it this way. A little more Sailor Moon-y, just as cute. I'm doing a base of Bottle and Go in Milky White, and I'm doing 2 coats here. Whenever I'm creating nail art looks to photograph for the shop or just for tutorials, I actually really like to use these pre-tinted tips from Opaline. I think these are discontinued, but I'm pretty confident you can still buy them. But seriously though, I'm not joking. I have a lot of pre-tinted tips. Go in with Chrome It Clear on top of the Milky White and cure it. And the star of the show is the Vacation Nail Shop, my shop's Opaline Chrome, and I just love our packaging. I love the little stoppers, it keeps everything nice. And I gotta tell you, this is a stunning chrome. It's like magical mermaid, holographic aurora, princess. It's so good. A little sweep to remove any excess powder, and we are going to gently file the free edge of the nail. We just want to remove any chrome powder from the free edge because we're going to be sealing in the edge with Akzentz Affixit. It's just going to help reinforce the bond between the gel layers, and then we're going to do a thin layer of Nail Thought's clear builder and fully cure that. Because we're doing isolated chrome on top of chrome, we're going to go in with ReiReish Nail Art Iso Chrome Matte Top Coat. This is the best. Be sure to cure isochrome for 60 seconds. We've got White Non-Wipe Accessory Bond from KOKOIST and Vacation Nail Shop Orchid Rhinestone Party. Give it a little mixy mix to whip it up and get a better 3D effect, and start to sketch out a little rustic frame using a long liner brush. And we're going to leave this wet because we are going to seal in our rhinestones, because Accessory Bond is not just a clever name, it actually will hold your rhinestones too. And in your wet Accessory Bond, go ahead and start applying your Orchid Rhinestone Party rhinestones. And just gently press them in, make sure that they're firmly in there. We're not going to flash cure because we have to be a little bit more delicate with the timing to make sure the chrome sticks. Once your stones are placed, just gently trace around the edge with the Accessory Bond. Before I apply chrome, I will cure my Accessory Bond for 20 seconds, apply the chrome, and then finish the cure. Our other leading lady is going to be Citrine Chrome, which I could have opened more gracefully, but here we are. And it's a gorgeous kind of filigree, goldy, greeny chrome. It's just really cool. And you'll see as I'm buffing in this chrome and sweeping away the excess, it's not sticking to the isochrome finish. I'm using the pointed brush from the 2-in-1 Red Iguana sealing gel just to make sure the edges of my rhinestones are super sealed in because we don't want the chrome to flake off. And for the final finish, we're going to use the Presto No Wipe Top Gel. This is a hard top gel, so if you're working on top of a softer gel, I'd go with the KOKOIST Ultra Glossy instead. I'm super happy with how this turned out. Doesn't look exactly like the originals that I did, but all the same elements. Head to RachelMessick.com to read my blog and see a full product breakdown.